Discover nature's secret weapon against coughs. Deep amidst nature's bounty lies the Coltsfoot plant, a time-honored remedy. All right, so nestled in this cozy cabin, witness the old-world crafting of Coltsfoot leaf tea, an earthy herbal drink soothing scratchy throats. In fact, its remarkable powers are trusted by herbalists for generations. However, the rustic process unveils a surprising comfort, wrapping you in warmth and relief. But wait, experience it yourself. Want more natural cures? Hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to our cozy journey of herbal remedies.